bro. I'm looking forward to buy. Wrong pair. All right. Just run away. I just waited 40 minutes, probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes for this trade. Yeah, bro. Without me in it. Market, you're being so mean right now. Dead as. I didn't even do nothing to you, bruh. We didn't even. Like, I don't even know what I did. Man, I don't like that. I do not like that. Not at all. That's, it's kind of sad right here, bro. I was looking at the sell right here. Mad unfortunate. I should have taken that. I think it's gonna want to try and come lower, like down to here. Yeah, right here. That's where I could spot it. This is great. We have our like accumulation right here. Manipulation. Retracement. Expansion, retracement. On this gold, it's different. The price actually respects that, and this whole thing's accumulation, like it don't break out right here, which would usually be mad confusing. I ain't finna lie. But price definitely wants to move down. So that this is now complete. We've now done our accumulation, manipulation. You know, I'm not like a teacher or nothing. My my mentor teaches me. So I'm not here to teach you guys. I'm just talking about my strategy. However, the big support zone right here. Really big, actually. So now that this is complete, because we have retraced. Yeah, I think now we're looking for the buys. Again. Cigarette, daydream, you were only 17. So buy kind of around here. Scrop louse here. Take scroffit around Screer on get. And then secondary take profit about here. Okay, looking for a buy again. Higher time frame. Showing me the way. We're in. Stop loss hit. I know what that candle's gonna do, bruh. I don't want it to close below that line, which looks like it's not gonna do. Yet. If it closes below that line, yeah, it's already going to. But if it closes below that line, I am out. I'm out of the trade. If it hits my stop loss, I'm also out. What? I know. A little crazy. I think, unfortunately, that was a FOMO. That's what categorize that one as. 3, 2, 1, and close below. It's gonna already just get my stop, bro. I'm out already, basically. There's this. Yeah, I mean, fucking $400 gone. Like that, like that, like that. Quick as fuck. No one can lose money faster than me. Nobody can. Because I'm the GOAT. I am the GOAT at losing trades. There's nobody greater at losing than I am. Like, there's no better loser. Find someone that loses more than me. I dare you. You can't. Okay. Why? Because there is none. Nobody loses as good or as much as I do. You'll watch my streams and you'll be like, I'm sick of losing. It's the opposite of what Trump said. You'll be so sick and tired of winning. Fucking whatever, bro. Yup. Pissed. I'm angry like the top G. Man, where the hoes at? Where the hoes at on Gad? Where the hoes at? House calling and your brother fall. Falling, yeah. This week. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to see the 10-second time frame. Let's check it. Ten-second chart, activate. Now gold's taking off. Fuck you, gold. You and your bullshit. Black activities. Because black people like to wear gold. Yeah. Anyway. There's people who are racist for fun and are racist because they're serious about it. I'm competitive racism. I'm like, you can't, that's the highest level. Access simulation. I told you guys, bro. Access simulation. I told you. Bro, we're living in a simulation. Top Trade of 8 proves it. We're inside the simulation. Yeah, bro. Data transferred. All this BS, bro. What the hell? Alright, bro. 1 minute. We're going down. We're seconds. 45-second time frame. On what? NASDAQ? No. Change it. Gold. XA. Gold? Alright, bro. Let's check it. I clearly see an S&T divergence. Yeah. S&T divergence. I see it. It's here. Oh, this is a gold price. Yeah, definitely S&T divergence, bro, for sure. know what I mean, bro? Alright, bro, we got the EMA here. 16, bro. Some ball knowledge right there. Um, 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 uh, 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 uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. 5, 3, 4, 6. Whatever. Do your thing, Gold, I guess. And shit. Definitely S&T divergence, though, like, for sure, you know. Definitely an S&T divergence on God. Here we go. I'm looking for the buy for the 4th time or some shit on God. I just want to ruin a family of 4's life, bro. Like, seriously. Fuck! Damn. You're a bitch, Gold. Yep, just take off without me, you asshole. Oh my fuck. This is a buy. This is a fucking perfect buy. And I was too stuck on the... It looked good on the 45-second chart. I'm just a dumbass, bro. I'm seriously a shithead. Can't trade. Can't do shit. I'm getting... Bro. I'm gonna get methamphetamine in the mail. I'm gonna go take methamphetamine. Just so I can keep up with these damn charts. They call it speed. I'm gonna be real fast. You can bet that shit. Like... Know what I mean? I feel retarded right now. I don't think anyone feels as stupid as me right now. Glorious buy right here. Glorious. I just can't ever seem to get into them, bro. And when I do, I don't. You feel me? You understand my frustration? Yo, the 10.5 minute candle's about to print, bro. 10.5 minute candle, give me a good confirmation. You know why I'm not buying? Right now, at least. Because look at this, bro. Some more Israeli bullshit. Do you know how Jewish that is? For it to come tap twice. One right here. One right here. We're going to continue to go down, bro. That's why I'm pissed. I missed this buy and I missed this sell. We only get a confirmation once we close below this wick. Dude. I'm unsure. Bullish at the moment. However, we have just given all of our money to Israel right here. That's all the grants, bro. Like, look at that, too. Like, it's confirming both directions here. As soon as I look at the market data, I go back test, it doesn't do it. Price is chill. Oh, my girl's on her lunch.
Order filled.
That's a sniper entry. But we're going to hit stop loss. Just hitting. It is a great entry. That one I followed all my rules on. Came retraced again. If this hits stop, I'm okay with it.
Order filled.
And I don't mean to look at profits. I don't want to look at profits. Trading, money, ticks. See, so I'm detached from the money aspect now. And I just want to watch the charts. Just as they come. Come as they are. And right now, we're in such a place on the 5 minute where we could see a great reversal. Actually, we could see a reversal all the way up here. I really did get in at a great time. Because right here would have been the first best time. Right here. Second best time is right here. Our first option, the first opportunity where everything's confirmed is this candle here. The next best time is right here. This fractal already played out and earlier, giving us retracement before we got buy side, which I'm sure we got buy side here, taking out liquidity within, but ugh, just sucks, man, because this, it didn't follow all my rules. I will say that. But what it did do is we failed to expand below this. So I thought my stop loss is safe at this low. It wasn't safe at that low. However, I did zoom out and scroll out. Got to look at the larger range here, just kind of from a low here, just from some of these lows, from all the way up here. Got to find out where price came back down to come give us fair value for buying. So it came, tick that, closed above that. This would have been a confirmed entry here, but we need to wait for price to retrace. So good place to buy right here. And then price came up, retraced here, I bought. That's the story. Story of my life, I'm here to tell. How much am I actually risking? $376. I mean, it's bullish. Like, I don't know what to tell you. If we hit my stop loss, that would seriously suck, but I thought correctly. Man. Okay, we're just confirmed on the 5-minute. But price looks on the 5-minute, price looks like it wants to take this out. Which unfortunately is my stop loss. It wants to take that out on the 5-minute. That's what it looks like. So I'm a little scared. And I want a cough drop. So I'm going to go grab the cough drop. Oh, we're up for... I risked hella on this trade. 1 to 9, bro. Easy money. Netanyahu just emailed me saying that we're good. Good trade. But again, 5-minute looks a little imposter, a little sus. We're like, it looks really good for the buy. Like right now, even looks great. But it looks like it wants to take my stop out. Dead us. I think actually these swings here were aimed at that low. Which on the 5-minute, it's not a low. It's just a candle wick. And that's where real liquidity rests. And I think the reason we're not expanding up is because it needs that low. Realistic take profit right here. Right there. Unrealistic take profit is like here. another key level right here. Want it to break above that. I'm checking on the 5 minute. That's where I'm finding my key levels with my secret indicators. And I'm cold, dude. My feet are cold. Brrr. Ugh. I look stupid with the hood on, but it definitely makes me a lot warmer. You know what I've noticed is every time I start to make good profit, I need to go pee. But it's not like the trade's going to go anywhere, but up or down. Like, it's going to hit my take profit, or it's going to hit my stop loss. You know? Bro. Did it hit TP yet? I double layered my socks, so they're thicker now. Price is still looking good for the buy. I mean, I wish we'd expand faster. But you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, know what I mean? I'm throwing a fit though. Shalom, shalom, brother, shalom. Shalom, brother, shalom. Shalom. Shalom, my brother, shalom, shalom. I don't even know what that means. Bro, I'm cold. Is Price really gonna? Price has the ability to reverse right here. Because we're hitting the equilibrium again, bro. Price is gonna sit right here and just accumulate. Dude, I didn't really cut my day ones off. My day ones cut me off. You know what I mean? Like, we's just chilling. Sometimes me and my day ones doing day one stuff, hanging out. But like, man, they cut me off. You know what's something else I noticed is when I go pee, I love to call my friends. Like, so it's great when they call and I'm already taking a pee and they can hear it. Like I'm asserting dominance, you know? It's, I think it's really funny. That it's just something I've always done. It's not doing it because I'm weird, or maybe I am, but I don't know. Why are we doing this, Price? You're supposed to go up. You are supposed to go up, brother. You can go down like a little bit, but don't let it go down too much. You have to go back up. I think it's in your best interest, Gold. If your price actually went up rather than down at this very moment, you know, that would do like a service, not just for me. I'm not looking to profit off of this market. Just think about all the people, other people that are holding gold. Like, and how much money you would make with people shorting right now. Like, I'm sure you see all the people shorting. Like, there's so much liquidity up there, you know? There's people wanting to get in. And you have the obligation to do that. To allow that and give that and have that responsibility. Like, there's people shorting right now. Don't prove them right, you know. In fact, I know your best friend, and we talk so good about you all the time. Me and your best friend Netanyahu, like I've gotten quite accustomed to him, quite close. Me and Yahoo, but and we always talk about you, and we're like, man, during A's assessing, you're so smooth, like you just know exactly what you're doing. And sometimes I take inspiration from you, Gold. I'm like, man, how can I be more like Gold Price during Asia session? And it strikes me like, man, if I want to be like you, I have to do what I need to. And all that is um, trying to figure out what makes me a better person. And that is just doing my duties, Gold. And that's why I'm saying, right? I know you're agreeing with me. You're going up right now. Like, and you don't have to go up forever. You know, I don't like expect you to. But just understand, like, look left. Just look over there. There's, like, so much liquidity near the top. Like, Netanyahu would probably be angry if you did it. And I don't want him to get angry at you, Gold. Like, I know we're friends. Like, we know each other. I understand what you're feeling, and I hope you understand what I'm feeling. Like, you're doing such a great job right now, Gold. Like, Netanyahu's so proud, and so am I. We know you're capable, you know? And you're showing us that right now. So, round of applause, Gold. Seriously, you're doing a great job. I don't think I could do any better myself. Just because kind of you do it, and you do it perfect. Every time. Like, I look at you, Gold, and I'm like, man, why can't other indices be like you? You know? You know what I mean, Gold? Like nobody understands the bond in the relationship and the circle of love that goes on here. Okay? And I know you get it. I know you understand. And you're you're the greatest asset ever. I mean, like you've been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. So, Gold, I'm I'm so proud of you, Gold. I just want you to go up just a little higher.
Order filled.
Nice. All right, Gold. I love you. You can do whatever you want now. Stop all the retigas out. That's trading. That's done. Nice. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to do this thing in Discord. Market wants to go higher, bro. Did I just draw that? I didn't mean to. Nice trade. All I typed in this group chat was I wanted to sell at the top. I was watching a recording, which is true, before this stream. I was just watching one of my mentors' recording sessions, and I caught the nice buy up only because I measured from this bottom of the range to the top. I found the equilibrium. It bounced off the equilibrium. Sometimes it doesn't do that. Sometimes it'll accumulate and then bounce off, which it did that. It did do that for a second. Rejected off the equilibrium of this range here. That's why I was kind of angry. I mean, it would have been a scalp of a sell for sure. Trade nonetheless. Would have been like a 1-to-1 stop here. TP at this EQ. But we started reject off this EQ. Price expanded right here. Came in and gave a retracement right here. So I know there's like so many drawings, but try and watch this one. So from here to here, see the green line here? It like bounced off of it, and that's why I was kind of angry. And I was like, price is just accumulating, and then it finally. I saw this right here. Price was failing to close below. It's a failure to expand. Really nice trade. Looks actually like we want to go down a little bit at this very moment. I am not going to continue trading. I have already made my profits for the day and some. You saw right here I lost a bunch of money. Here I doubled down. Here I'll just show you what I see. So accumulation. So I came to the equilibrium of that. So you get a few things. Price failing to expand above this high. We've got accumulation. This is a retracement back into the accumulation. I'm wanting to see like what I have written down on the piece of paper contradicts what this is saying. What I have written down on the piece of paper shows like accumulation, just AMD kind of here. Like this is what could happen for sure, or like this could happen, retracement, and then it would go up. So it just depends on where these candles go. If they go up here and then come back down, or if they just stay here and go back down. Like, the direction's not confirmed at the moment, in my opinion. However, we did grab this piece of liquidity, just this candle's wick here. So it shows me, especially because I see how much liquidity is up here. We can go to the 5 minute. Down, 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 down. like there's no retracement. Like this is the retracement here, and that's why I'm saying we're at kind of the equilibrium. When we're at the EQ, price likes to find out where it wants to go, you know, up or down. So if you caught that trade, put W's in the chat. I'm not even going to get a single W. I'm going to get an L. Someone took this trade and unfollowed or something. I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed that, make sure to let me know. Puts a smile on my face. I don't know if you care about smile on my faces, but makes me feel good. Makes me want to stream more. Take care, guys. See ya. Looks maxing is doing good. We're doing good on the looks maxing. Just watching where price is going. I'm also checking this guy's comment. People are always trying to get me to spend money, bro. Oh. Put OBS on the left. And give my final bias. And bye. We are in a bullish expansion at the moment on a higher time frame. Bullish, bearish, bullish. One of the 15-minute. Check that out. I don't know. This was clear and this was clear. Right now, no clear. I wouldn't take a trade right now. But what price looks like it's going to do is come back down in here and then buy. Which it looks like another good entry. Like if someone wants to buy here, it looks okay. Just make sure a candle closes above that, because then you'll have good continuation. Accumulation, manipulation, retracement, distribution. So I want to come down here and then it go up. But take care, guys. Stay safe. I'm sorry for saying bad things, mean things. I studied right before this on what I'm talking about here, AMD, my version, and I spotted it not right away. It like up here I was wanting to sell, didn't know, and under here I got clear direction. So I'm really glad, super happy, hooray! See you guys.